Un, dos, y un, dos, tres,
Hola, Jalisa here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the party, baby. So today we are going to do a unpack with me. But wait, there's a catch. In Puerto Rico. Ooh, we are in Puerto Rico. Today is actually my birthday. Another year around the sun for your girl. And so I was just thinking of some things I could do to get you guys some content besides my Puerto Rico vlog, and we're gonna do an unpack with me. The last time in New York City, we did a pack with me, so I hope you guys like it. Tell me in the comments which one you like better, a pack with me or an unpack with me. But I'm so excited to be out here. The weather is warm, it's beautiful. I don't know if you're catching that glisten on your skin, on my skin. But let's get this started. So here's a look of what the suitcase currently looks like. I'll pull out everything and show you the outfits that I created, and then that's how we're gonna do this unpack with me. So starters, I bought some jeans. I know it's Puerto Rico, but still, you never know when you might need to wear a pair of jeans. So I have this, and I had planned on pairing these jeans with this Zara top from my Zara haul. So I'm gonna link that so you can see that. So I have brought this top. This is gonna be my birthday outfit because, as I mentioned, today is my birthday, if I mentioned that, but today is my birthday. And so I brought this top, which I think is so perfect for like Puerto Rico. It's very loose, so you're gonna get that breeze. And I just like the colors, like it's very Puerto Rico vibes. And I brought this pair of shorts to wear with it, and I'm gonna be wearing just my regular chucks, which, as always, put your socks in your chucks, save your space in your suitcase. And also, did I show you guys, like I told you guys in the last pack with me, always bring a laundry bag, because don't nobody want their nasty dirty clothes next to their clean clothes when they're going back home. So that's that. I'm gonna put that to the side because we're about to get dressed. So here we go. So up next, I have this beautiful like dinner dress. It's like a halter tie here. It has a cow neck. Let me show you. It has a cow neck right there. And the back of it is all tied. And then it's long. And it has this nice little slit on the side to give you some, it's already a sexy dress, but this gives you a little extra sexy appeal. So I brought that, and I'm gonna pair it with, you know, my good old shoes right here, because these be coming in handy, but that's gonna be with this. And I brought this Cole Haan purse. Boom, there you go, an outfit. And also, when you pack purses, don't pack a whole bunch of purses to go with every outfit. Try to pick one or two purses that you know is gonna work with multiple outfits. That also helps you save some space in your suitcase. So I also bought this shirt dress, which I'm gonna have to iron because it's really wrinkly. But I know I showed you in my New York City pack with me that I wanted to wear these shoes so bad, and I still love these shoes. Definitely wearing them here in Puerto Rico, but I didn't get to wear it in New York City because the shirt dress that I had, I didn't like the way it was like fitting my body at that time. So I bought a new one, and I like how it's loose and flowy. So that's another outfit. All right, so you know, when you go on vacation, you're gonna be just hitting the town, just, you know, you're gonna have to be doing some chill stuff. Not everything is gonna be dressed up. So I bought a regular t-shirt, Mario Kart's Mario Brothers, with these pink biker shorts. And I specifically chose this so that I can also reduce space, because remember I told you I wanted to wear this white dress with these pink shoes. And I know that if it's windy, I'm gonna wanna wear shorts underneath. So I would probably wear these pink shorts underneath. And being that I'm bringing this anyway, I figured let me find a shirt that matches with these shorts so I can have another outfit as well. So reduce, reuse, recycle. All right, so I brought these high-waisted leggings from Zara. Check my Zara haul because it was in there. But these are the ribbed leggings with the split in the front. Very, very cute. And I decided that I wanted to pair this with this top. Did you know that Amazon also sells Shein clothes? Because I went on Shein and I found this top that I really wanted, but they didn't have any more in my size. And so I went on Amazon, I typed in triangle top, and they have a Shein market, and I was able to find the top. So here it is, this black top with a cowl neck. As a cowl neck, and as you can see right there. And it's just a simple triangle top that will go so perfectly with those pants. And in the back, it's not completely backless because it has this thick band going across. So that helps out the girls who got a little bit more boobs, that their bra strap is not this thin but a little bit thicker. This will help you cover that up. So that's going with that. And then I also brought these shoes, which by the way have socks stuffed in them as well. So I brought these shoes because remember, reduce, reuse, recycle. You want to make sure that you're having, you know, items that can work with multiple outfits. So my speaker just turned off. But this is gonna work very well with this, very cute. But also my birthday dress is so cute, which I'm not gonna let y'all see. Y'all gonna have to see after I get dressed. But these shoes are gonna go so perfect with my birthday dress. So I brought them because I can use them in 2 outfits and I don't have to worry about bringing a pair of shoes for every single outfit I have on this trip. So there we go. I also brought this dress, which is currently inside out. So let's turn that the right way. I brought this one shoulder strap dress. And well, should I say the proper term, it would be considered asymmetrical because there's only one side. But anyways, I brought this dress because I figured when we go to the beach, because we right by the beach, we just gotta walk down the block, we right by the beach. I figured I can use this as a cover up, but also if I don't use it as a cover up, I can actually wear it as a dress out. So 2 purposes for this dress. So it's very cute. I brought that and I feel like I'm gonna pair this dress with just some flats and call that a day. And I didn't mention what I was gonna be wearing. I will be wearing my Chucks with this outfit right here. So I don't have to bring, because I have other sneakers at home that look way better, right babe? I got sneakers at home that look so much better with this outfit, but I was like, why am I bring that when I could just wear these? So we're wearing these. And I have so many clothes, but it's gonna be hot and you never know, right? So I got a lot of clothes. My boyfriend has way more clothes than me though. I told him to take some stuff out. Don't be rolling your eyes back there. I told him to take stuff out. He has way more clothes than me, unnecessary. So anyways, I got these shorts, which were actually pants. I just cut them and made them into shorts. So I brought these shorts and just a really regular Miss Jackson If You Nasty tee that I'm gonna wear with whatever wear. Oh, my airport sneakers, which were black. So I'm gonna wear that with these. I may not wear this outfit, but you never know. We might be just roaming. This is a roaming outfit. I guess I'll put that right there and get up out my seat. And the rest of the clothes in here are just like, just in case you just have something extra to wear. So these are all that planned outfits, but these are just extras. So I brought these jeans and I brought this white top. Was that my phone? I brought this top and I brought these shorts, which I can definitely just wear these shorts and this top and make it an outfit to be chilling. So, and I can wear that with my Chucks. Good with that. And of course, you know me, I don't never go nowhere without my black biker shorts. They go everywhere because I'm always wearing biker shorts. They so easy and so comfortable. How could you not be wearing biker shorts? So these definitely had to come on the trip. So these are the shades that I bought. I may not be able to put them on because I got my ears covered. Yeah, my ears are covered because I'm laying my edges, but I brought these shades, very beautiful. I love that they're white and black on the bottom. these shades, just plain white shades, different shape. Love these shades, love these shades, love these shades. And then these black shades. Also, when you go on vacation, I know a lot of people like to wear a whole bunch of expensive stuff, but you're moving around, you're drinking, you're having so much fun. I am not trying to lose my expensive stuff. So these shades are the cheaper of the bunch, but they're all cute. So these are the shades that I brought, and all my toiletries and whatnot. I don't think I need to show you that because in my prep with me video, most of those things were shown in there. So I don't want to be showing you twice. So that's pretty much everything that we have for this trip. Oh shoot, I got stuff in my boyfriend's bag. One second, let me see what I got in that bag, because I don't even know if I need to show you that either. So I pulled out everything that I think you might want to see that's in my boyfriend's bag. Everything else is like just regular pajamas, makeup, and some jewelry. But just show them how I just destroyed this room just doing this. Just by me doing this unpack with me, I completely destroyed this room. Like, completely destroyed this room. Unbelievable. So let me show you what I got anyways. I had also another dress that's inside out. I brought this dress. It's a very cool, like, just regular walking the street, checking out what's in the market type of dress that I'll be wearing with the chucks. And this is so, I love this so much. It just feels so good on your body. Like, you feel like you're naked, but you're not, because like it's so roomy and you feel the air going through, whatever. But it's just a jumpsuit, and it has this crisscross in the back, and it has that circle, which you can see it's a little tiny, but when it's on the body it spreads a little more. And how cute is this? It's just so comfortable. I'll probably wear it tomorrow because it's really, really comfortable. And then I brought pajamas, cute pajamas, for your man type of pajamas, but kind of not for your man pajamas because they're a little old lady-ish too. Old lady for your man pajamas, that's what we gonna call them. So it's just this silky top with lace in the back and some booty shorts with the lace on the bottom of the leg. And then I brought a very thin black sweater that can match with anything, just in case we're going somewhere that we know is gonna be cold. I can have something to just cover up my arms with and not freeze. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. You will be seeing my Puerto Rico vlog. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell so that you can be notified when that video is released and you can see what we did and how much fun and all the stuff we got into in Puerto Rico. Bye bye.